right, had our nice enclosed trailer finally redone. We are pulling up now to see what it looks like. Oh. So the whole outside got redone. We painted everything mechanically and electrically, hopefully will now be working. We had small issues on it. This trailer I've had for a very long time, and as y'all know, we race a lot with it. Ooh, she looks good in person. That color.
Let's check it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna turn this off, check everything out, and then I'll show y'all more of it in a little bit.
What's up, guys? This video is going to show you what it takes to take apart your LT4 and how to do it properly. Torque to yield, one-time use only. So if you f up and you put a head gasket on backwards, after you've already torqued the bolts, you have to have a new set. Cannot reuse them. And if you do, and they break, it's on you, and it comes out of your pocket.
Yeah, yesterday went to Dan and Justin are the foodies. We went to seafood yesterday, some crawfish place. $13 a pound for crawfish. I've never paid. I was like, man, you know what? No. And I was like, you know what? If they're good, screw it. Give me 2 pounds. $26. Man, they were weird. Yes, they were soggy. You know what I mean? Like, you know how they're soggy when they sit too long?
Yeah.
Like in the water. They weren't.
They turned to mush.
They were small.
Yeah.
It just, man.
That's the worst.
Yeah, it was bad. Time fired up. All right. Yep,
That's all I care about.
Check for leaks.
We're good.
Yeah, buddy.
That's jamming.
And he has a B&B exhaust. We're gonna switch it out to a Corse, I believe. The tips are a little crooked. That wasn't us. That was like that before it came to it. But you'll see the smoke. That's from all the new headers and stuff.
No coolant.
Yep.
Pump it in gear.
Wanna try first?
Yeah, try first. No noise. Yeah, we're good.
What do you guys say about that?
Well, I mean, some people get clutches in the first time, some don't.
Fact. Ooh, she sounds good.
Those will cut the shit out of you. They will slice you to the bone. So use a rag, have a glove, take your time, because it hurts. Watch, somebody's gonna say, don't throw those away. They're like LS7 lifters. Right. Well, if they don't have any type of marking on the bottom, then sometimes they'll get chance. But if there's any type of mark except normal wear, it's not worth the risk.
All right, well, I got busy when we were at the place looking over everything at the trailer. I was excited that it actually looks nice, so I'll walk y'all through it real quick.
We got the new dually hooked up to the nicely painted, redone trailer. I haven't had a step in probably 5 years. Feels good to have it back. The inside I redid quite a while ago, but nice and clean. We got bunk beds here. Obviously, it's where I usually sit to tune the cars in between passes. Couch folds out into a bed. Usually can put a mattress up here to lay down if we want. And then we store all of our stuff in there. We got plenty of cabinets. And she's dirty in here, but obviously full bathroom, full shower. And then we got a door that leads out to where the car goes. Got a whole new floor in it. All new floor done. And then they did all new back. All new wood, all new diamond plate. Nice and clean. And they did a really good job on this trailer. This thing's a 2009, I believe. I've had this thing for, man, I think it's been over 10 years. Ooh, she looks good. Generator fires up on the first time now, which never used to happen. Got locks on it, no more zip ties. She's running nice and quiet. And one of the best part, oh yeah, we actually got a handle that works. Didn't have a handle last time, it was broke. Looks good, right?
God, where'd you steal this from?
It looks completely different, doesn't it?
It looked like you went and bought a whole new trailer.
I know. I mean, for the money, bro, I was looking at new trailers. I was like, man, for what I'm gonna spend, it's cheaper than a new trailer. And it's dang near a new trailer now. Yeah, everything electrical has been redone. All electrical, yeah, all the lights redone. And then even my favorite, boom. Running water again. It's been a while since I've had running water. And then yeah, all new appliances. Freezer's already getting cold. We looking good.
What's the next race?
We're leaving Wednesday.
For
Jake's, it's called Jake, what's the name of the race?
Dallas, XRP.
Yeah.
It's like Jake's race, I don't know. Small tire,
Big
275.
2 races, I actually.
Oh yeah, Friday night we're running for 10,000. 25, it's 4 cars, everyone puts in 2,500 bucks. Winner takes the pot.
Oh, nice.
So we're in that Friday night.
You saw the change on that?
No.
Lamar out, salty bitch in.
Why?
I guess he had problems this weekend.
Or you broke something?
Broke something.
So you won't make it this weekend? Probably not.
I'm not sure if he won't make it or he just isn't willing to spend up 2,500 bucks to have problems. Because I heard it was electrical. This is what I heard. It's a kind of electric problem. So.
Who's the 3 other cars?
Salty bitch.
Which is the orange Corvette that we raced a few times.
Oh.
They painted it like a dark gray now.
Yeah, dark
Okay.
red. White chocolate.
Which is the Camaro we ran in the final that was super close.
Yeah, and then real clean 67 Mustang.
Yes,
years old car.
that's the one from California.
California.
Super clean 67. Dark blue like our car.
Yeah.
Twin turbo. I mean, all 3 cars, all 4 of us are the baddest cars there, I would assume, right?
Damn.
It's gonna be sick. So that's 10,000 Friday night, and then obviously everyone enters the race Saturday for another 10,000.
Dude, that's cool.
Yeah, but let's go. I gotta get this shit so I can go. Oh, that'd be nice. Oh, that'd be nice.
This is a pain in the ass. Probably have to get the tri-bar.
Department of Health and Human Services.
Relive it at iHeartRadio.com/awards.
The new original series Halo is
Your accident out there, we're gonna take it. I-10 to Katy Freeway heading inbound from Brookshire or Cinco Ranch, about a 25 to 30-minute ride down from the Grand Parkway to downtown. Not too many slowness if you're heading inbound on 290 from Cypress, about 25 minutes out from Highway 99 to the West Loop. Yellow mango for $5 through April 5th, plus an extra 10% off for Prime members while supplies last. Learn more on
And that's the power of silicone.
dealers.com. Shop offers.
It's what moves us. Keeps us always looking for new ways to keep our hearts healthy. Using genetic testing, AI predictive programs, and minimally invasive procedures.
Yummy.
The expert team of physicians help families stay healthy by never missing a beat. Learn more by visiting Texas.
Powers. No appointment or insurance needed. Visit Detroit.com or Detroit location near you today. Detroit.
Y'all should come up and ask him if he's done yet. Mr. C's this guy taking naps over there all day. And he just wants to play with the carbon fiber intake.
I mean this with all disrespect. F you.
And that's a good lesson for all you techs out there to learn. If you can't take any heat, don't even bother walking into the kitchen, let alone trying to cook anything. Ain't that right, Steph? Just say yes. Because it's all in good fun. Jerry Lee Lewis.
The crazy high markup. Visit the all-new Joe Midas Ford for one of the best selections of F-150s in Houston. 290 at Beltway 8 or visit JoeMyersFord.com. Let me put that on. Here's how we long for Skechers Arch Fit shoes.
If you've never tried Arch Fit shoes from Skechers, you're missing out on next level comfort. Saying you like comfort but not trying Arch Fit is like saying you like Italian food but you've never tried pasta. Skechers teamed up with podiatrists who used over 20 years of data to create a shoe that provides total foot and arch support for all-day comfort. Arch Fit distributes support across the arch no matter what foot type you have. You don't need an arch problem to love how...
Why don't you do your trick again?
About something I just took part in. It's called Total Wealth Academy. It's a Saturday class.
Thank you.
Academy.net. You can take the free sample. You'll be better for it. TotalWealthAcademy.net.
I think it's in your car because an oil change takes 10 minutes, which is faster. Oil change is done so fast I didn't have time to prepare an opening statement. Your Honor, my client is...
I would worry about it, but the motor's open, so I'm not worried.
Your car, 10-minute oil change.
There's fun on commercial...
Magic.
And then there's fun on Surfair chartered flights that save... and no stress. Surfair.com, the affordable, hassle-free alternative to commercial air travel, built to make flying easy. Get a free quote on your next flight at Surfair.com. There's no better way to fly.
Thanks for tuning in and watching, guys. If this video was helpful, leave a comment, a like, share it, subscribe. If you want to find more, don't forget to ask that question. Now we're gonna get back into putting the heart in his home and let it eat. So y'all stay tuned, because it's going on a dyno before you can blink an eye.